I'm Jamie and this is Ross from Tait Real Estate. Welcome to Thirsty Thursday. What are we making this week, Ross?
Today we're making something really simple. It's an easy cocktail to make. It's called the Nantucket.
Nantucket.
It's got rum, grapefruit, and cranberry. So this is for one person. So we're gonna go with 2 ounces of white rum.
So I'm putting in
2 ounces of, make it 4.
4 ounces, okay?
Well, it's for 2 people.
Okay.
It might still go.
Perfect.
And then we're gonna go the same thing with that, same amount. With grapefruit.
Another 4 of that.
And a little bit more of the cranberry. So you're gonna put in probably 5 or 6 of this.
Okay.
So for one person it would be 2 ounces, 2 ounces, and 3 ounces. The Nantucket really is just a drink. It's similar to the Sea Breeze, except you're using rum instead of vodka. And it is a drink that's sort of celebrated a lot in Martha's Vineyard and Cape Cod and Nantucket. So it's one of those fruity, shishi poo-poo, poo-poo drinks. No, it's easy to do.
Looks delicious.
Yep.
So just shake it on some ice.
And throw it on some ice.
And pour it over ice.
If you wanted, you could just garnish it with either a wedge of lime or orange or a lemon. We're trying to save the citrus.
Spilling everywhere.
Spilly. That looks delicious.
Perfect.
That's a great breakfast drink. Lots of grapefruit juice in there. The Nantucket.
Well, that's delightful.
That's very good.
Yep.
Hey?
That's
You could sip on those for...
That's a good one.
That is a good one. It's simple, but try that. Cheers, everyone.